Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. Welcome to a short workout with 3 different ropes. The heavy rope, the heavier rope and the heaviest rope, or as I would prefer to call it, the green rope, the greener rope and the greenest rope. And the greener than the greenest tracks to go with the green ropes. So let's go into a short workout. I'll be using the feature called rounds in the CROSSROPE app. I will share the screen somewhere on the video so that you can see how it goes. It's basically a place within the CROSSROPE app where you can customize your workout, where you can set your workout duration, you can set your rest duration, and you can set the number of rounds you want to repeat. So it's a 3 rope workout. Just for the purpose of demonstration, I'll stop at 3 sets to keep the video short. 30 seconds of jump, 30 seconds of, let's keep it as 20 seconds of rest. In this 20 seconds, I'll have to catch my breath and change the ropes also. The ropes are connected to the amp handle, which connects to the CROSSROPE app over Bluetooth. Let me say continue and then start the screen recording. I think we are good to go. Let me set the phone here. Let me just put on my other gloves also. These heavy ropes, especially these 3-pound ropes, I find it more comfortable when I wear the gloves. So I'll start the workout by pressing the start and pause and resume button on the handle. Start.
Get ready.
30 seconds of
Next
jumping
up,
with the
basic
3-pound
jump.
dark green rope. Ready.
Basic jump. Next up, rest.
Done.
Rest. Then
We
basic
need to be
jump.
quick because we need to catch our breath, change the ropes within this 20-second gap.
Next up,
One handle
basic
connected.
jump.
Oh my god. Second handle connected. Oh.
Basic jump.
Started. It's okay. I should have gone for a 30-second break. This is the 1.5-pound rope. We have only 20 seconds of jumping. This is actually a longer rope compared to the 3-pound rope you
Next
saw.
up, rest.
I think this is an L size rope. The 3-pound rope is a S size rope, small
Rest.
size.
Then
So
basic
rest
jump.
started. Remove. Come on.
Next up, basic jump.
5 seconds. The
Basic
gloves are not
jump.
helping also.
Last interval.
Already
Make it
started.
count.
But that's okay. You get the idea of how this thing works. So if you are trying this with multiple ropes, I think 30 seconds should be a good gap for a smooth,
Almost
uninterrupted
done.
workout. Done.
Awesome workout.
See you in the next video. Bye bye. Enjoy your jumps. Take care.